Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how to gain more subscribers on YouTube. As a content creator, one of your main goals is likely to grow your channel and reach a larger audience. But with so much competition out there, it can be tough to know where to start. That's why today we're going to give you some tips and tricks to help you attract more subscribers to your channel. 1. Create quality content. The first and most important step to gaining more subscribers on YouTube is to create quality content. No amount of marketing or promotion will get people to subscribe to your channel if your content isn't worth watching. So, focus on creating content that is informative, engaging, and entertaining. Make sure your videos are well produced and visually appealing, with clear audio and good lighting. 1. Consistency is key. Consistency is key when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. You need to be consistent in your posting schedule, as well as in the quality and style of your content. This means creating a content calendar and sticking to it, so your subscribers know when to expect new videos from you. It also means maintaining a consistent brand image across all your videos, from your thumbnail designs to your video intros and outros. 1. Optimize your videos for search. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, after Google. So, if you want to attract more subscribers, you need to optimize your videos for search. This means using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions and tags. You should also create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. 1. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is a great way to build a loyal fan base and attract more subscribers. You should respond to comments on your videos, and encourage your viewers to leave feedback and suggestions for future content. You can also create polls and surveys to get a better understanding of what your audience wants to see from you. 1. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a great way to gain exposure to new audiences and attract more subscribers. Look for YouTubers in your niche who have a similar audience and reach out to them to see if they would be interested in collaborating on a video. This can help you both gain new subscribers and build relationships within the YouTube community. 1. Use social media to promote your channel. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your YouTube channel and attracting more subscribers. You should be active on all the major social media platforms, including Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and share your videos with your followers. You can also use paid advertising on social media to reach new audiences and promote your channel. 1. Participate in YouTube communities. YouTube has a vibrant community of creators and viewers, and participating in these communities can help you gain more subscribers. Join groups and forums related to your niche, and participate in discussions and share your content with the community. This can help you build relationships with other creators and attract new subscribers who are interested in your content. 1. Offer value to your subscribers. One of the best ways to attract and retain subscribers is to offer them value. This means creating content that helps your viewers solve problems, learn new skills, or simply entertain them. You should also offer exclusive content or perks to your subscribers, such as early access to videos, behind-the-scenes content, or exclusive merchandise. So, there you have it, 8 tips to help you gain more subscribers on YouTube. Remember, growing your channel takes time and effort, but if you follow these tips and remain consistent in your content creation and promotion, you will see results. Good luck and happy creating!